So hello guys, today we will see how to fix this settings application not showing on Ubuntu system. So this can happen after you upgrade the system. Basically the reason behind it is the settings application is controlled through Gnome, more precisely Gnome Control Center. So sometimes it stops working or it's corrupted. So we need to reinstall it. So yeah, let's start simply doing this sudo apt-get update in order to get the latest updates. And for reinstalling the Gnome Control Center, we type sudo apt install reinstall gnome-control-center. Hit enter and wait for to install. So yeah, now it's installed. So for opening the settings application, we just simply type gnome-control-center and then display. And as you can see, the settings application is now opened. So yeah, this is the fix for it. It can happen sometimes after the upgradation. So like the video and share it with your friends if they are having the same problem. Thank you.